What's up, guys? It's Echo and Ember. I got sent home today from work because I'm sick. I took a nap, woke up, was talking to my buddy, Light of the World Fireworks. You guys probably know him. Watching some of his videos, and it gave me the pyro itch. And you know, being sick, some of the best thing you can do is get out in some of that fresh air. So figured I'd make some videos, come out here in the country and just get some fresh air and make some videos. I do probably have a couple videos here, maybe 2 or 3. I'm not sure how I'm gonna break it up. So I figured I'd go ahead and film them now while I got some time. And maybe the smell of that fireworks and 4th of July helped cure me a little bit. So we'll go ahead and start it out. I want to start with the helicopters. Got quite a few of them. I don't know, I like to spin and then bang at the end, so I always try to find new ones. We're going to start out with the Mad Hornet Shelton Fireworks one. Not quite sure if this one's supposed to have a boom to it or not, but we'll figure it out. Guys, here we go. Alright, just a little crackle on that one. Not too spectacular. You'll get that more often than not with whenever they say report on them. I'm gonna pause the video. I got a helichopper flying overhead. Next, I got one of these Super Cobra by Legend. Showers of sparks. Probably not gonna go boom on these ones, but we'll find out. Guys, Super Cobra, Legend, let's get it. Alright guys, that was a nice 2-stage with crackle at the end. Definitely better than the other one. We'll go ahead and move on. Let's see. Do one of these red lantern buzzard bombs with the red fins. I don't know if that's indicative of color. Sorry if I'm out of breath. Like I said, I'm not feeling the greatest. Feeling good enough to do some fireworks for y'all though. Alright. Here we go. Okay, yeah, that was cool, guys. It had a little whistle. It had a first set of crackle and then a second set of crackle that projected like a halo completely out and around. It was real nice. Actually might do another one of those, I'm not sure yet. But we'll try Blast Wave. Focus. Peacemaker. This one I do know what it does. One of my favorites. Cheap. Light them all day. People might get upset. They're a little louder, but here we go. Nice report on that one. Shoots up there real quick. And you know what? I'm gonna do another one of these buzzard bombs. See if I can't get a better video. I know I've seen you guys complain on Light of the World Fireworks' video about him walking so much. Sorry. It didn't focus. Well, hopefully the first video was good enough. You guys will see. Guys, next I think I'm gonna do bottle rockets. Got a few of them out here. Start out with this missile. Some people call them Saturn missiles, what have you. This is a little bigger than the ones I've seen in the past. The ones I've seen before are usually just a whistle and take off. So we shall see. Jesus. The thing went crazy. I don't even know where it went. Just making sure it didn't hit the other fireworks. We're gonna hit some black cats. These are just your gold standard regular black cats. This way I know it's fresh in my mind to compare the other ones to. Let's see. Nice report on them. They get high. Everyone kind of knows what they do. So next we'll go with the big Dominator Max bottle rockets. Some out of the pack. Sorry for shaking you around, guys. These ones feel smaller. They just feel, I don't know, weaker, flimsier, I guess. Alright, those ones didn't get near as high, not near as loud. I got some of these, if you could focus, dang it, Maddox triple whistlers. Open these up. And go over here and see. My dang torch over here. That was weird. Some of them went, some of them, it's like 5 out of the 2. 5 whistles, that is, out of the 6 that was supposed to happen. So let's try and hit 1 at a time. See what that does. Nice. Nice whistle to him. I'm a fan of the whistle, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit another one. And no boom on that one. Next I have some focus, dang it. Whistling Moon Travelers, Red Lantern, UN. But I have yet to shoot these off. I've got a couple packs. Every time I get frustrated with this dang tape on the fuse. But today we got it. And no boom. Nice whistle though. Good height. Try another one. Nice little pop, good height, good whistle to him. I think with that, oh look at that, fell almost directly in front of where it was lit off. I think with that one, I'm gonna take a break. I'm kind of out of breath. We can continue with the next set of videos, which will be Roman candles and firecrackers. So, alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.